Sorry kung may maliit na lamukata yun, ay maliit na fruit fly. Sorry po. Hindi naman madumi phone ko, malinis
Oh,
phone ko, pero
speaking of,
lumilipad na.
speaking of, nasa si Maki?
Nalooban po,
Ay,
naka-charge yung
nagpahinga.
cellphone.
Nagpahinga yun, galing yun sa malayo. Yung kahapon, yung sinabi niya, di
Ay,
ba?
oo nga
Oo,
pala.
yung galing sa Cathedral Stew.
Oh, Good Shepherd Cathedral nga pala. Galing nga pala siya doon. Okay. And then last nating kilalin ay si ang eldest ng Bini na si Bini Aya Arceta. Or mas kilala sa full name na Mariah Queen Arceta. So, si Bini Aya. Ito, Mariah Queen Arceta was born on January 27, 2001, and she's currently age 24. At siya ay pinanganak sa Lapu-Lapu City sa Cebu, Philippines. So, sumali siya sa isang patimpalak na
Balik ako guys, kayo muna.
Miss Silka Philippines noong 2018 at nakuha niya ang titulo na Miss Silka Philippines. And kung gusto ninyo mapanood yung kanyang game, yung pagiging game master sa game master na ni Bini Aya Arceta, panoorin ninyo sa official YouTube channel ng Bini Official. So, she first made her mark in the local scene by participating in school events, modeling, and beauty pageants, winning titles such as Miss Silka Cebu and Miss Silka Philippines 2018. After gaining early exposure to various ABS-CBN auditions, she joined Star Hunt Academy, graduating as one of the final SHA girl trainees in October 2020, which later became the first Filipino the Filipino girl group Bini, and debuted on June 11, 2021. In her musical career, Aya co-wrote their single Kapit Lang, writing the rap verse for the song. She also starred in the music video of Jeremy G's songs Bini, which she later co-sang with him in the remix version of the song in 2024. In 2023, she won the Top Female Visual of the Year award at the P-Pop Awards. So, saan nga ba nag-aral si Mariah Queen Arceta? She enrolled in Enderun Colleges in Taguig as a scholar in the year 2022, taking a degree in architecture in interior design and multimedia arts. So she won 5 pageant titles within 3 years. On September 29, 2018, she was crowned Miss Silka Cebu at Robinson's Galleria Cebu. On November 30 of the same year, she proceeded to compete in the 11 Miss Silka Philippines pageant at Market and Taguig and won the title. She won the title of Miss Silka Philippines 2018 on that day, which came with a cash prize, gift certificates, and advertising opportunities with the beauty brand Silka. And dapat supposedly ay papasok siya sa bahay ni Kuya, pero sa kasamang palad, hindi siya pinala na maging bahagi ng PBB Teen Edition, na kung saan that year sila Sheena at si Gwen ay naging bahagi ng PBB 8.
Ayun, ata yung napanood ko dati. Tama ba? Hindi ko sure. Oo ata, nalimutan ko na.
And then come 2020, siya ang huling membro na naging bahagi ng Nations Girl Group na in November 2020, Aya officially became a member of the Filipino girl group BINI, becoming one of the rappers of the group. They officially debuted on June 11, 2021, which again, pinagdiriwang nila ang ika-4 na anibersaryo noong June 11, 2025, and bahagi ng ika-4 na anibersaryo muli ay ang Here With You Homecoming Concert na gaganapin sa June 29 sa Mall of Asia Arena ng alas 3 ng hapon, at mapapanood ito ng libre sa Binidad Global for the exclusive members and libre for the public sa official YouTube channel ng BINI.